how you feel in the morning and the rest of the day. It all comes down to a good night's rest. But ask yourself, are you truly rested? If you feel like you could use better sleep, perhaps the first step is to take a look at your pillow. ZEREMA's Total Sleep Solution is the ultimate sleep technology to guarantee a good night's rest. Introducing ZEREMA, the right decision for your well-deserved sleep. But what about ZEREMA guarantees you'll be better rested? You can make height adjustments to both the head and neck to create the pillow just right for you. It keeps your head weight evenly distributed, reducing any neck and shoulder tension, and keeps the spine aligned in its natural curve for optimal comfort. When snoring is detected, the pillow automatically adjusts its own height to open up your airways and allow for proper breathing. It also monitors your sleep pattern. So that while you're sound asleep, it stays up learning your habits and analyzes how you can sleep even better. ZEREMA's open cell memory foam keeps your pillow properly ventilated, ensuring you stay cool and refreshed throughout the night. The cover is also waterproof, so that you can keep it fresh every single night. And antibacterial, in order to eliminate the risk of germs coming in contact with your skin. It even has a built-in alarm to gently wake you up, so that you can start your day refreshed and energized. Experience a new morning and day. With ZEREMA, redefine your sleep.